gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, a camera-centric phone just launched few days ago. Fast refresh rate, LTPO OLED display, flagship processor, new camera sensor, huge battery, and many more. Today I'll be giving you a detailed camera review and comparison of the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impression video of Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, which you can find in the description section below. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, Honor has already launched two phones in its Magic 6 series, the Honor Magic 6 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro, which were extraordinary in terms of camera performance. I've already uploaded unboxing and detailed review videos of both these phones, and you can find the links in the description below. Now, Honor has launched two more phones in the same series, the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate and the Honor Magic 6 RSR Porsche Edition. Honor's Magic series is known for its superb camera performance and design. You can see last year's Honor 5 series design, which came with premium leather material. Now, we're talking about the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate today. This time, Honor has put even more focus on the camera in its flagship Magic series. In the Honor Magic 6, they used the OB50H main camera, and in the Pro series, they introduced the H9000 camera, which offered a variable aperture. In the telephoto camera, they introduced a 180 megapixel sensor, making it the highest resolution periscope telephoto camera in a mobile device. This makes the camera a significant strength of Honor's Magic series. In the Ultimate variant, there's an upgrade in the main camera. It features the H9800 improved sensor with a two-stop variable aperture feature. The biggest difference between the Pro variant and the Ultimate variant lies in the camera. In the Ultimate variant, the H9800 sensor comes with Loic technology. Loic stands for Transverse Overflow Integral Capacitor Technology. Compared to the ordinary sensor, the H9800 sensor in the Ultimate variant is based on Loic technology. In Loic technology, a trench capacitor is added next to each photosensitive pixel. If there's excessive light spill, the excess light is transferred to the next capacitor. You can see a photo with and without Loic technology. Loic technology helps avoid overexposure and preserves highlight details. So, this CMOS sensor improves the dynamic range. Now, let's compare this phone with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which is a recently launched flagship camera-centric phone. You can see a comparison between both phones. In the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, you get detailed information even outside the window, which is not as clear in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Additionally, noise control in shadow areas is excellent in the Honor phone. You can also see HDR images, where Honor provides vibrant images, and the overall look and feel of photos from Honor are quite pleasing. In the basement, you get a good contrast between light and dark areas, and the transition feels natural in Honor phones. Another benefit of Loic technology is the ability to capture single-frame HDR photos continuously. You can notice a minimal shutter delay, and the capture speed is quite fast in the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. Here, you can see a comparison of night photos with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. In the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, colors are rendered well, even in complex lighting conditions. In the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, you get the same two camera sensors as in the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and both have top-notch hardware specs. Here, you can see a comparison of 5x zoom photos. The Magic 6 Ultimate features a 180 megapixel periscope camera, which delivers excellent image quality in daytime shots. In low light conditions, the Magic 6 Ultimate performs even better, with detailed photos. This means that in low light situations, the Magic 6 Ultimate is superior. Additionally, it offers good focusing at a distance. In addition, Honor phones also offer the auto capture feature. In the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, you'll find an additional 1200 dot matrix LiDAR sensor. When you turn on the motion focus feature, you can see how quickly the focus adjusts. The focus speed is quite rapid with this LiDAR sensor, resulting in clear photos. The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate provides two focus modes. If you need to focus on a fast-moving subject, you can choose the sports mode for clear photos. This time in the Honor Magic 6 series, there's a significant upgrade in both the main camera and the periscope telephoto camera. The Ultimate Edition introduces many new camera technologies as well. Friends, let me know in the comments how you like the camera of the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. This time, the camera module's shape resembles the leaves of a tree, and a similar design was seen in Nokia's past phone, the 7600. When you look at the phone from the side, the camera module doesn't appear too bulky either. In the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, you get a plain leather back, which is different from the striped pattern found in the Pro variant. The Ultimate variant features regular leather textures that offer a smooth feel to the touch, giving a genuine leather sensation. This black variant of the Magic 6 Ultimate has a professional look to it. Additionally, you can also find a purple version, which might appeal more to women. The camera module is accented with a golden ring around it. Additionally, you'll notice stretched lines at the top and bottom of the lens, which add to the overall stunning look of the phone. These lines have a glossy finish, enhancing the aesthetic appeal. Moreover, when holding the phone with the lines positioned slightly higher, the index finger naturally rests on them, providing a comfortable grip. Other specifications remain similar to the Pro variant, such as the 5600 mAh battery, support for 80W wired charging, and 66W wireless charging. Furthermore, in China, the Ultimate variant offers additional features such as satellite communications capability and Oasis Eye protection screen. These functions are exclusively available in the Ultimate variant. Moreover, the Ultimate variant also boasts 10 times scratch and fall resistance with King Kong glass, along with silicon nitride coating. I've already uploaded the unboxing video of the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate, and you can find the link in the description below. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.